By the end of this video, you will understand how scientists figure out the exact 3D shape and chemical recipe of alien solar systems before the planets even form. First, let's travel to MP Mus, a baby star surrounded by a swirling ring of gas and dust called a protoplanetary disk. Historically, scientists had a problem. They could study what the dust was made of, or they could study the shape of the disk, but rarely both at once. Now, meet the ERT disk model. This is a new hybrid computer program that merges both chemistry and 3D physics. Let's be clear. This is not just taking a picture through a telescope. It is reverse engineering a solar system using barcodes of light. Step 1. The model reads the light spectrum to find out what minerals are hiding in the dust, like microscopic gemstones. Step 2. It feeds those ingredients into a 3D simulation to see where those gems are baking near the star, or freezing far away. Here's the surprise. When they tested this on the star MP Mus, the model revealed a hidden, invisible gap close to the star that telescopes couldn't see. These gaps are often cleared by powerful magnetic stellar winds, the exact same cosmic forces that cause auroras here on Earth. You now understand how astronomers map the birthplaces of planets. This knowledge prepares you to understand the incredible planetary discoveries coming next.